Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into AllignedREI, a comprehensive leads management system built using Flutterflow. So why AllignedREI? In a competitive environment, keeping track of leads, appointments, campaigns, and team members can be overwhelming. AllignedREI was designed to simplify this chaos, helping you stay organized and focused on what really matters, achieving your goals. What makes it unique? AllignedREI offers an all-in-one solution combining lead management, scheduling, marketing campaigns, and team collaboration into one seamless platform. How does it work? Powered by the versatility of Flutterflow, AllignedREI provides an intuitive, user-friendly interface that makes managing your business easier than ever. Stick around as we explore how AllignedREI can transform the way you work. As you can see here, we have the landing page of AllignedREI, and as we scroll down we can see the powerful features AllignedREI has, which includes the campaigns management, the leads management, the team management, the packages management, and the appointments management as well. And as we scroll down, we can see the integrations done along with the system. We can also see the incoming integrations which can be done within the system in future. We have the client reviews and the frequently asked questions along with the pricing plans. So let's get started and dive into the system. To get started, we'll just simply click on the get started button and the user will be redirected to the login page. The users can just simply register themselves if they haven't logged in yet, and I just have registered to the system, so I'll just simply log into the system with my email and password. As soon as the user logs into the system, they will be redirected to the dashboard of their account. As you can see on the dashboard, we have different KPIs managing different leads and lead summary, and as we scroll down we have the appointments management system as well. As you can see here, we have the leads entered and here we have the leads summary which says how many leads were added, and it just simply indicates the total leads we have added in our account. As you can see, we have a side panel with different options which includes the leads, the appointments, the team members, the campaigns, the settings. So for the first one, we'll just simply look into the leads management tab. So here you can see we have different statuses along different leads. The statuses include the new, the in progress leads, the rejected ones, and the closed ones as well. We can also filter out our information as per the assignees, and we can also filter out the information of the leads as per different sources, which includes the Gmail, website, and the social media ones. We can also add new leads by just simply clicking on the add leads button. The user will just simply have to fill in the required information for the lead, and once information is filled, the users will simply click on the save button and a new lead will be added in the system. Moving forward, we have the appointments section. In the appointment section, we can see the different leads against which the different appointments are being entered. As you can see, we have the lead name, the platform, the topic, the responsible person who is just hosting the appointment, the status of the appointment, which includes as you can see, this lead has appointment schedule and this lead has an appointment which is being cancelled. We can also see the date and time of the appointments, and in actions the users can just simply edit and delete different appointments. To add a new appointment, we'll just simply click on the add new appointment button, and the users will just simply have to add in the necessary information to schedule an appointment. And to save this entry, we'll just simply click on the save button and a new appointment will be scheduled against a different lead. Moving forward, we have the team members section, and here we can see all the team members we have added in our system which are managing different leads and different appointments which are being scheduled for different leads. To add a new member, we'll just simply click on the add member button, and we'll just simply enter the specific information, which includes the full name, email, the permissions we want our assignees to have, and we'll just simply upload a photo and to add a new member, we'll just simply click on the add member button and a new member will be added in the system. Moving further, we have the campaigns section, which is further categorized into campaigns, responses, contacts, and email templates. We'll just simply click on the campaign section. In the campaign section, we can just simply have the list of the campaigns which are being created, the total contacts against each campaign, the scheduled date of the campaign, the status of the campaigns, and the users can also edit or delete any campaign they want to. To add a new campaign, we'll just simply click on the add campaign button. The user will have a form prompted up, and to add a new campaign, we'll just simply enter the required information used for the campaign. The users will just simply click on the save button and a new campaign will be added in the system. Moving further, we have the responses section where we can see the different responses we have against different campaigns which are being created, and we can see the campaign name and the total responses against that campaign. Moving forward, we have the contact section. In the contact section, we can see the number of contacts which are being added in our system. The source, for example, different contacts can have different sources of contact. So let's suppose that Imrasif has the Gmail, Abdullah has website, so we can also add these basic informations against different contacts as well. We can simply see the projects which are being related to that contact, the date on which that contact was added. The users can just simply edit and delete these contacts as well. To add a new contact, we'll just simply click on the add contact button and add in the required information, and to save the contact, we'll have to click on the save button and a new contact will be added. Moving further, we have the emails templates option. The users can just simply add in the template title, the body of the email they want to send against different campaigns, and the dates on which these templates were created, and the users can also edit or delete these templates. These are the templates, email templates which are being sent against different campaigns. To add a new template, we'll just simply click on the add template button and add in the template title, the date and time, the subject of the email, and the body. And to just save this template, we'll just simply click on the save button and a new template will be added in our system. Moving forward, we have the settings option where the users can just set their notification setting as per their requirements. We have the notification settings, we have the push all notifications toggle button, we have the security settings, we have the profile settings where the users can set in or edit their profiles, and we have the sign out section as well. That wraps up our deep dive into AllignedREI. As you have seen, this powerful leads management system is designed to make your workflow smoother and more efficient, helping you stay on top of everything from leads to team management. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more insights on tools that can elevate your business. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts on AllignedREI, drop a comment below. We would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep aligning your strategies for success.